managed to get a discount of around 60 to 70 USD. Somehow I was not very attracted to that gadget. I have not used this gadget to curl my hair before. Tada! Do I look like crazy right in front?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys my new gadget Dyson Corrale. I purposely not to style my hair today because I plan to share with you guys how I style my hair using this Dyson Corrale new gadget of mine. If you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Master. Do consider subscribing. Just click the subscribe button down below. Shall we get started? I still remember when Dyson first released Dyson Airwrap way earlier. Somehow I was not very attracted to that gadget. Not because that's not a good gadget, it's because I know myself very well. If I need to spend a lot of time to curl my hair, to get my hair ready before I can go out, most likely I'm not going to use that gadget. But when Dyson finally released Dyson Corrale, and after knowing that this gadget can curl our hair and also can smoothen our hair, some more is wireless, I know that I must have it. And up to today, I'm glad that I have it and I do not regret getting this item. So later on, I'm going to show you guys how I style my hair using this gadget. And this gadget, when it first came, of course, it came in a box. This black box with purple color wordings on it. Love the packaging. And I always love very nice packaging. And this gadget actually comes in two colors, purple and pink, and obviously I chose purple color. I'm not sure if it's because of too good quality and is also kind of heavy, but because it's too handy and too good the features, so I think it's still acceptable, the weight. And because it is wireless, the battery can only last for, I believe, not more than 30 minutes plus minus. But usually I'm able to style my hair in less than 30 minutes, perhaps maybe 10 or 15 minutes. So if you're having super long hair and if you're taking more than 30 minutes to style your hair, most likely you will have to charge the gadget using the charger given here. Magnetic. So really love it. And it also comes in this pouch, this very beautiful pouch over here. It's good when we go traveling. In fact, when you go out, you could also take this gadget out and you could style it in the car, in a cafe, in the mall. I have not tried all that yet. I only style it at home because I know myself. I don't think I will be styling this in the car again or anywhere else. So I will only style it once at home and that will be for the day. That is just me. But of course I love this pouch given. Very good material. Very soft. Very good whenever we go traveling. We could also carry this. And it also comes with this docking station. Very good quality. But to be honest, I just took out from the box this docking station. I've used this for a while, but this is the first time I'm using this docking station. I have not used this before. Just took out fresh from the box. Very nice docking station. You could use this docking station to charge. So I think I should start using this from now on. Just to share with you guys, when I got this Dyson Corrale, I actually managed to get a discount of around 60 to 70 USD. That's because I was using the promo code from the apps. I will put the name of the apps, but I believe there was no promo anymore. But it's good that you guys can ask them in the store if there's any ongoing promotion so that you don't have to pay the full price when you purchase any item from Dyson store. In fact, I'm going to show you guys now how I style my hair. Two ways on how to style using this gadget. On one side, I'm going to just smoothen my hair. Just love that quick touch up to make it shine. And on the other side, I'm going to show you guys how we can use this gadget to also curl our hair. And to be honest guys, I have not used this gadget to curl my hair before. So let's do that together and see how easy it is to curl our hair using this gadget for the first time. No practice, nothing at all. Are you guys ready? Let's do it. I hope you guys can see clearly. So I will first partition my hair. I normally like to zigzag my hair for the partition rather than having a straight line, because then I will have more volume up here normally when I zigzag my hair on top. So this is just a simple trick that I always use. Shall we do the easy one first, or shall we do the more challenging one first? Okay, maybe we'll just do the easy one first. So I will usually make it 3 layers. So pin the hair up, 3 layers. This is the bottom layer. Turn it on, full battery level, and usually there are 3 settings here. Lowest is 165, 185 and 210. So if you are using anything that is more than 165, I'm using the setting of 185 now. Actually, it's a little bit damaging to our hair. That's what I've been told. So we need to do proper treatment or what if we are going to use this gadget for long term. So, but I try not to use the highest setting, 215 I believe, so I always go for 185. So let's get started. So this is what I normally do. This is the bottom layer. So I will just do a simple C at the bottom. It's very easy. If you just wash your hair and after you blow dry, you straight away use this to style, it's even easier to style. So you can see there will be a simple curl. Okay, you can do many rounds as you wish. Look at it. So easy. Right? Okay, then I will release this clip. So now it's second layer. Look at my hair, they are all going towards the same direction now. Easy. The last level, last layer. It's even easier than ironing our clothes. And if you feel that over here is too flat on top, we could always do this trick. Just bend it. Then you will notice that there will be more volume up here. You could also style your fringe just very quickly. And I'm done. And for this side, I'm going to curl my hair with this gadget for the first time. Can you see the battery level? Just for one, it's still more than half a bar. So can you imagine that it's very fast to style our hair with this gadget? That's what I like about this gadget. And now let's save the battery for this side because I'm definitely a beginner for this. My first time styling this, so I believe we also need to do 3 layers. Based on past experience, for curling, normally we will need to curl in and also curl out, just alternate. So now I will curl in, and I normally don't like to curl the bottom. Is that easy? It's like a magic. Let's do it. Okay. And on the other side, maybe we have to curl in. Looks pretty easy. Color in again. Is it in or out? I'm confused. Okay. Curl in. So just alternate between curling in and curling out. Okay. Let's do layer number 2 now. Okay, let's continue with this final layer. I take lesser hair for each curl when I do the outer layer. Wow, looks like it's very powerful. Ta-da! I'm finally done, guys! Finally! For the first time, I was curling my hair with this gadget, no training. Do I look like crazy right in front? I actually quite like the messy kind of look over here. I like that type of messy curl. What do you guys think? I believe with more practices, I should be able to curl it even better. I hope so. But I feel that for daily basis, I will still just go for this simple hairstyle. But once a while, maybe it's good to have this kind of messy look. You feel like your hair have more volume every time when we curl our hair. It was really having fun. A little bit of effort is definitely required whenever we curl our hair. Hopefully with more practices, I should be able to do it maybe in 20 minutes, I hope so. But for this side, definitely within 10 minutes, you could complete styling your hair. It's very simple, very easy. That's why I like this tool. Do comment down below which side will you prefer, this side or this side. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to again give this video a thumbs up. And I hope to see you guys on in my next one. Bye guys!